Okay, so it's early bird deadline. I'm sitting in the shed answering all the emails with my favourite people. And I just thought I'd share my little environment with you. So here I am. There's the computer. That's where it's all happening. This is the garden. It's still bright outside, which is very nice about having a late early bird deadline. This is my little house. That's my fridge with all the beer because I need it. And here we are back again. And I thought I would play my favourite 11th hour registration people song for you. Oh, I dropped the recorder almost. So here we go. It's going to play soon. Carl just came to see what I was up to. He's having a cigarette now. Hi Karloff.
Hello.
I'm just playing my favourite registration people song.
Okay.
I love to hate them. Did you come to tell me something? Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay, that's enough. I think you get the picture. Okay, bye. 2 more hours to go.